Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Picks. I'll be your host, BLUDDSHED, today. Today we're going to talk about Ttcf, give you guys an updated video. It has been about 2 weeks since our last communication, and I want to just update you guys on everything. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I just like to predict stocks and watch the markets, and investing is a passion of mine, just like gaming is. I have a Twitch channel here where I make content. We play variety games and Diablo 3, and I have a website and all that stuff with all my different channels on it. I'm passionate about making videos and talking about stonks, man. In our last video, we called out the chef at $16, and what happened? It just shot up basically to the moon. It's up almost 50% to $24 from when we called it out there. I even said in the video, I came out of retirement to make it because I had such a strong conviction that it would go up. I also love the company. I got freaking freezer full of burrito bowls and enchilada bowls. But a lot of people in chat were asking me, yo, Blood, it went down significantly on that Friday from, 24, I think it was as high as $25. It basically dropped from like $25 to $22. So a $3 move. It had went up $1 and then down $2. Asking me, what's the deal with Chef? Is it going to go lower? Is it going to go higher? Well, definitely in the long term, the stock is only going to go up. I think they're going to crush earnings. I think they're going to announce some awesome things, and it's going to eventually, the price is only going to go up from here. But in the short term, it could go lower than 22. If I had to guess, I would say that it's going to shoot back up to the $24 range or even higher on Tuesday. But why do I think this? Why do I think it's just not going to continue to crash down and burn red, baby? Well, I covered AMC pretty heavily for months and months and months. And I am like AMC, Ttcf is a heavily shorted company. And it gets a lot of negative comments from bots and people trying to drive the price down. And also people like us who like the company drive the price up, right? So it's a very polarizing company. So there's going to be big swings up and down. It's just not your normal food company where it trades like this or barcodes, up and down. Anyway, check out the post-holiday stats after Labor Day. It typically has a run up 55% and post Labor Day has a run up of 60%. So I think the chef has a good chance to run here. There was a lot of hype over the weekend, a lot of people talking about, chef. It's becoming more popular on Reddit and stock twits. So again, there are a lot of negative bots and comments. So 24% still being shorted. There was some that covered, but not really. A lot of it was people taking their bag, it went from 16 to 25. People are gonna want to cash out, get that freaking Lambo or whatever they want to buy with the money, get the kids' college fund, secure the bag. So there was a lot of people just selling. Even people in my community who just took the bag and left. I'm still holding. I have a very sizable position in the chef, but again, it's similar to AMC where the fundamentals didn't change the company. The reason why we are in the stock hasn't changed. So basically nothing changed. The only thing changed is more and more people got in, it drove the price up, people sold their positions, the price went down. So there could still be a little mini squeeze here, but it's gonna take volume to get there. How do you get volume? You get catalysts, right? What's a catalyst for the chef? So like we talked about, they can announce new products. They could just announce it out of the blue or do a rollout. On the last conference call, they did talk about a subscription service where you subscribe for Ttcf and then they send it to your house. So they can announce all this stuff whenever they feel like it, but they are going to be at the second annual Cohen Health and Wellness and Beauty Summit. It'll be taking place on Tuesday, September 14th. So that's not too far from now, right? So if we just ride it out basically to this date, they could, speculation, right? They could announce something. Every announcement is speculation because it would be an announcement of an announcement. Like you'd have to find out on the time unless there was a leak or something like that. Anyway, Cohen's pretty big. They got a lot of companies there. Companies like Strive Foods is going to be there. Blood, what the hell is Strive Foods? Well, Strive is an emerging healthy snacking and food company that manufactures, markets, and sells highly differentiated healthy snacking and food products. Now, I'm not saying just because Strive is here, but it does look compelling, right? They do healthy snacks. Ttcf does like healthy frozen food, but some of you may or may not know they are trying to get into the snack market. So Ttcf filed patents for chips, which is snacks, right? Tortilla chips, plant-based snacks, nutritional bars, and meal replacement bars. So if they were going to announce it, you know, this is only their second annual. So the Cohen thing, this is their second annual health and wellness, but they've had like a longer one. Their normal one is like 50 years running. So this particular branch, the Health, Wellness, and Beauty Summit, is a separate branch, right? As more and more people are come on to eating healthy, clean energy, all this stuff, right? This has been more and more popular, you know, vegan, you know, vegetarian, or even hybrid. Like me, I'm hybrid. I like my burgers, but I also like my turkey burgers, and I also like my plant burgers once in a while as well. So it's possible this could be a major catalyst, right? And obviously any spike, institutional buying puts too much pressure on the shorts. They end up just covering their position. The price shoots up. There's a lot of things that can increase the stock price, even them reporting good earnings. So if we just hold out to the next earnings call, I think we're going to absolutely obliterate. We've only shown insane amount of growth quarter over quarter, year over year with Tattooed Chef. So that could be another catalyst to shoot the price up. Maybe an Amazon buyout. They bought Whole Foods, man. Who knows? Maybe they want to buy a cool upcoming brand. I don't think they would sell, but you never know, man. The world's crazy, right? The freaking Golden Nugget just got bought out. That really blew my mind. I was going to hold that to like $60 one day. But we still got a good payday either way. If you're looking for another brokerage, I am a Webull partner. You can check all the links in the description to my website, to the finance section. If you sign up with my link, we both get basically free stocks. Check it out. We also have a private stock Discord if you're one of my Twitch subs, and we just talk about stocks in the morning. We usually hang out when the market opens till, you know, for the first couple hours and just kind of bounce ideas off each other. So it's a pretty nice little cool community there. Like I said, I have had this channel about 1 year, and I don't post regularly. You can see like 3 months, 2 months. I go through phases. But when I do post, it's a high conviction play. I was thinking about compiling all of our calls into a video at some point. That would be fun to look at. But yeah, usually when I post it, I'm super excited about it, not just posting videos to post them. So hopefully you guys got some value to the video. If you did, if you could like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you're interested in more content like this. I'm excited to see what happens tomorrow. Like I said, I think it's going up tomorrow. I had a price target of $25 by the end of the year in my previous video, and it went up to 25 already. So who knows? Sky's the limit. Yeah, I was being very conservative because I was thinking just on the fundamentals we would drive the price up. Now with fundamentals, a high short interest, and you know, the internet, Wall Street bets, the more and more people learning about the stock. Who knows? Maybe we're breaking 30 at some point this year. So let me know in the comments below what you think about everything. This is Bloodshed, and I'm out of here. Peace.